is Sylvia. Today I will show you our CNC factory, our CNC department. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to see the aluminum machining, and this is our machine. You can see, look at here. You can see it's machining now. Yeah, the aluminum, it will become the machine part. Okay, oh, the water is outside. Okay, let's see the next one. The next one is the mouse part machining. As you can see, this is our CNC machine. This is the program. Okay, right now you can see it's a silicon, and then we use the CNC machine to produce the parts of the mouse. If you play the computer, you can see the parts is made of the CNC machining. It's made by us, right? Okay, and yes, our company is the Dongguan HY RT Prototype Corporation Limited. So if you have any new project to produce any parts, the machine parts, we can do the service for you. Also, we do the service for the CNC machining, the 3D printing, the sheet metal, the rapid prototype, so on. So if you have any interest in our company, please contact us. Okay.